Hey guys, this is Angel bringing you another DIY video. This one's gonna be on how to install a cabin filter on a Toyota. In this case, I'm working on a 2015 Toyota Prius, but it is almost the same thing on all the Toyotas starting in 2004. So this video is gonna be very good for you guys to watch because it's gonna save you some money in the long run. I know it's there's gotta be at least a million videos on this subject, but since I have this channel, I wanted to make my own. It's only gonna be just a couple of minutes, and it's gonna be very valuable. It's gonna save you a few bucks. So once again, this one's gonna be on a 2015 Toyota Prius, but it's pretty much the same concept for all the Toyotas starting in 2004. First thing you want to do, of course, open up your glove box. If your glove box is packed with a lot of items, it's best to have them removed completely empty your glove box. In my case, the glove box is pretty much empty, so I don't have to remove anything. The first thing you want to do is you want to undo this little shock right here. You want to just pull forward. Yes, it attaches just like that. Undo it, and this shock is just going to be hanging to one side, just like that. See, very simple. Just undo it and just let it hang. What that does, it makes the glove box drop nice and smoothly. So you want to make sure you reattach it after you're done. All right, once you're there, next step is to grab both ends of each side of your glove box, and you want to make sure you press evenly inwards. You want to make sure you press inwards. It's best if you do it one at a time, and then the other side. What that does is going to undo those retainers right there that are pressed up against this wall right here. By pressing in, it pretty much squeezes the glove box, because this thing is flexible. You're not going to break anything. Squeeze it in, and that's how you do it. Once again, this is what I'm talking about. That is pressed right in here into this wall. By pressing inwards, it's just going to release it and just drop it. Now, as you can see, the those right there is where the lower hooks go, which are these parts right here. Those go right here onto those hooks. So when you're ready to put this glove box back in, make sure you put them right there. Line them up, just like that. Okay, so once you have dropped the glove box, it's gonna look just like this. It's gonna expose the housing where the cabin filter is located. It's gonna be this door right here. This door is gonna have a plastic lever right here that you want to squeeze in, and the thing opens up just like that. On one end, it's gonna have that clip. When you're ready to put it back in, it's just gonna go same way. Clip it back in and snap this end right here, just like that. So we're gonna drop it. We're gonna pull our nasty cabin filter out. Believe me, if you don't replace the cabin filter, the whole idea is for you to breathe fresh air inside the cabin. But if you're driving around with this filthiness, you can literally get sick. Especially, the thing is, catches all the pollen, or catches all the smog, dirt, and believe me, you can get really sick if you don't replace it. I would say probably every 15,000 miles, depending on how you are using the vehicle or where the vehicle has been driven. If you drive through a brush fire, obviously you're going to have to replace it right away. So we're going to dispose this bad boy. All right, now for the cabin filter, I bought this generic brand off of eBay, and it has no name, no label. It's got no part number. It's got nothing. It's just a brown back box. I paid $7 for it because I'm cheap. Joke. So anyways, I didn't want to go and get a Fram or the genuine Toyota brand, because believe it or not, guys, a lot of the stuff that the Toyota is using nowadays are made in China. And man, I can almost bet that this is the same quality filter that you are gonna find inside of a Nippon Denso, inside of a Denso brand or Fram or whatnot. So that's the reason why I'm not stupid. I just go out and buy a very inexpensive carbon fiber cabin filter for $7. And I know these companies, they don't pay employees. All they have to pay is just the shipping, which is maybe just I don't know, 50 cents maybe, because it took forever for this to arrive. So I don't think the shipping is very expensive. But hey, $7 for a cabin filter, you can't beat it. Okay, look at this. What do you know? There is a part number on this bad boy. 87139-yellow zebra 008. So there you have it. Looks really super good quality. Nice and sturdy. And why not? $7, guys. So I'm gonna put it in. So you know, this cabin filter, if you buy it from Toyota, is you're probably gonna be spending about anywhere between $27 to $35 for a new cabin filter. And installation probably is gonna range anywhere between $25 all the way to $39, depending on where you live. So cabin filter goes back in just like that, nice and clean. You want to pay attention to an arrow. There's an arrow pointing upwards. That is your airflow. Make sure that the arrow is pointing up. That's where how the filter is supposed to be installed, upwards. The arrow facing up. Now, as I was mentioning, the door, just put that little thing right in there and snap the other end just like that. Okay. I'm ready to, I'm not going to show you how to put the lid back on, because I already explained it to you at the beginning. Pretty much you want to line up the hooks with this open tabs right here. Hooks, you're going to plug them in just like that on each end. Line them up. You're going to close the glove box. Let me show you. One more time. I didn't want to empty this in, but all right. See those hooks right there? That right there is gonna line up with those open notches right there. Let's see if I can show you just for the purpose of the video. Why not? Line them up. Gonna line them up just like that. And at this point, you don't want to close it all the way, just so both ends grab nice and even. And don't forget, you're gonna reinstall the little shock back in place, just like that. It's very hard to do this while you are recording and holding the phone, but you're not gonna be recording a video while you're installing it, so it's gonna be much easier for you. Now you close it. And that is it, guys. See? Nice and smooth. Now I put everything back in place. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave your likes and your comments. Any suggestions, I'll take them. And if you like the video, please don't forget to leave your comments. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And I will see you on the next DIY video. Take care now. Bye-bye.